So guys, we want to enjoy the last few shots. They are preparing another box right about here. Look at that. What? That is the longest I've seen tonight. The longest. Goes really almost 50 meters. Bye bye. Ni hao. Okay, so there's a big rocket that has been launched, and they have even more for the night. And I want to show you the last experience before I go, maybe finish this video right here in China. There's another one around there, but I want them to light that one so that you see. So they are lighting it. So in 3, 2, 1. Also this one has been lit. Let's see that. This one has been lit. So in 3, 2, 1. Look at that. Look at that. Fireworks. China. This is super amazing, and more is being lit, more and more fireworks, more damages. Amazing experience right here in China, only at ANOTO in China. Everywhere you go, ANOTO in China, ANOTO in China, ANOTO in China. There's another one over there. Let's see how it is. Look at that. Hey guys, I'm shivering on the New Year, Chinese New Year, the year of the dragon. So this year is the year of the dragon, and that's what they are celebrating right about now here in China. So the year of the dragon, China just got into the new year. Happy New Year 2024. And right now, let me go and find another place so that I can show you the beautiful fireworks show in China. So follow for more. Watch this video till the end and let's experience the Chinese New Year together. Okay, let's find another one. So ladies and gentlemen, that's it for the night. The time right now is 2:32 in the AM in the morning. It's late in the night. I am in the middle of this street, and I've parked my bike here, and I wanted to exit my video. So welcome to 2024. That has been my time. I leave you from this place. This is ANOTO in China. More memories coming your way. Bye bye. This is ANOTO in China. See you the next one.